Some of you guys may have remembered when I converted this little corner here in our living space into my little work office. I wanted to share this new addition. Here is this file cabinet on wheels, and it's able to be tucked away. And this is not even a traditional desk. This is like a Hayworth makeup vanity desk that I converted into a work desk here in my living room. This is what we're doing. Pretty simple.
So we got 5
and it
wheels
comes with this
4 corners.
So here he's just screwing the wheels directly into the wheel. Look at how perfect this file cabinet fits under this. This is actually not a traditional desk. This is a vanity that I turned into my little work from home desk. I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I just used what I had here. So this is actually a Hayworth makeup vanity that I converted into a desk. But look, it fits so perfectly under, and I still have clearing room, and it's also on wheels. I love that it's able to be moved and stored away. So here goes my little desk area that I created a couple of months ago here in my living space. So I just love if I keep it there. It's tucked away. It's out of sight, out of mind. I think it is just so perfect. All right, you guys, I just wanted to come on here and quickly share this unboxing of this Yitahome file cabinet here on wheels. It is absolutely so beautiful. Let's get... Okay, so here goes the file cabinet. I can sit here at my desk, and if I need to work, I can open and close. It's able to be pulled. Have it here, and I can be filing my papers away and all of that. So okay, so here is some of the items that I had under my desk. I had open storage, and it just always looks so cluttered. So I'm happy about the fact that this is closed drawers. Let me show you some of the ways I was stored. So I have a ton of pens and highlighters for my budgeting and colored pencils. I really don't use the colored pencils, but this can look a bit overwhelming, especially stored out here in my living room. So I'm so excited because I used to keep it under my desk on an open shelving, and it just looked messy at times. But I believe this is from the bathroom section, and I even place scissors here, and I just like it. I am going to store it in the bottom drawer. So here is some of the items I have in the top drawer. I just love it. So I use my little perfumes and my hand creams, and these are like little paper clips. And then back here It's just an acrylic organizer, and I just have my things for filming, like extra SD cards. I absolutely love it. From the Dollar Tree, a little tray I just placed in here that has some of my desk essentials. And then this, oh, I am so excited about it. This is just extra things I may need. You know, I work from home right now, so I have a keyboard, and if I want to do voiceovers, this was always a challenge to store this away. So I'm so glad I was able to store it here in this drawer. Okay, so I just discovered that you can put letter sides hanging folders in here. I don't have any at the moment, but I'll let you see the way. So the folders will hang off of this bar and the back of the drawer. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I was a little concerned because I couldn't figure out how, because of course if you try this way it's not big enough, but you have to turn them this way. So I will be getting some hanging folders so I can start storing our documents away, like tax papers and all of that. Oh my gosh, this is even more exciting for me. So modern, chic, sleek. To close it, you can lock it. Look at that. And it is nice and secure. You see how the key is tucked away in here? You can fold the key down, and there you go. Okay, you guys, I just had to share reality with you because I did have my monitor moved about, but this is really how it looks with my extra monitor. And here is my Apple, but I don't use this. This is my work computer here, and my headset looks like, I know it looked all pretty and Instagram ready without the monitor and all this dog cages, but this is reality right here in the living room. So if you guys are interested in this Yitahome mobile file cabinet that is round edged, it's no sharp edges like back in the day. This is metal, solid metal, and I like the fact that it has a moving drawer, like a control drawer on the front. That was so easy to pretty awesome. If you're going off to school or into a dorm room, this would be an excellent addition, and you can use the top as extra storage if you needed to. This can be fit into a closet. I just love how sleek the design is. Okay, so if you guys are interested in getting a file cabinet for yourself, or maybe even a college student, this is going to be perfect for a dorm size room. You can fit it inside of actually into a closet. You can see I've even created my own little workspace here. So if you guys are interested, I'll have it linked below. I'll have a link down there, and if I have any promotion codes and all of that, I'll have a link down in the description box. Again, thank you Yitahome for sending this out to me. Stay tuned, you guys, because I have a lot of new content that will be coming your way. So if your bell is not on, please make sure it is. Give me a big thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
I'm laying down it to compile it.